Welcome back to Module 1, Mathematics. In this video, we cover graphs, including plotting coordinates, straight line graphs, gradients, quadratic curves, and how to read values off a graph. Every graph uses two perpendicular axes. The x-axis runs horizontally, and the y-axis runs vertically. They meet at the origin, 0, 0. Any point on the graph is written as x, y, where x tells you how far across and y tells you how far up. A straight line graph follows the equation y equals mx plus c. Here, m is the gradient or slope of the line, and c is the y-intercept, the point where the line crosses the y-axis. The gradient is the rise divided by the run, how much the line goes up for every step across. If you know 2 points on a line, you can find the gradient directly. Subtract the y values, then divide by the subtracted x values. For example, with a at 1, 2, and b at 4, 11. 11 minus 2 is 9, and 4 minus 1 is 3. 9 divided by 3 gives a gradient of 3. A quadratic equation, y equals ax squared plus bx plus c, produces a curved graph called a parabola. It always makes a U-shape, opening upward when a is positive. The lowest point of the curve is called the vertex, and the curve is symmetrical about a vertical line through the vertex. Graphs are often used in aviation to show how one quantity changes with another, such as outside air temperature against altitude. To read a value off a graph, find the known value on one axis, trace across or up to the line, then read off the corresponding value on the other axis. This same idea applies to the temperature lapse rate formula. Temperature equals sea level temperature minus the lapse rate times height. Pause the video and try this problem yourself. The gradient is 11 minus 2 over 4 minus 1, which is 9 over 3, equal to 3. To find c, substitute point 1. 2 into y equals 3x plus c. 2 equals 3 plus c. So c equals negative 1. The line is y equals 3x minus 1. Question 1. What is the gradient of the line joining 2, 3, and 5, 12? The answer is A3. Question 2. For the line y equals 2x minus 5, what is the y-intercept? The answer is B, negative 5. Question 3. What shape does the graph of y equals x squared make? The answer is C, a parabola. Here is your quick reference. A point is written x, y. A straight line follows y equals mx plus c. The gradient between 2 points is the change in y divided by the change in x. A quadratic curve follows y equals ax squared plus bx plus c. And the temperature lapse rate formula relates temperature to altitude. That covers graphs, coordinates, gradients, and curves. In the final video of this module, we cover polar coordinates, simultaneous equations, and statistics. See you there.